Yo, what's up, little Flooper Troopers? You know, out here in the Quar, things can get rough, and I know that a lot of you guys, your fashion sense is broken because you haven't been able to sharpen your skills, and well, we're here to stab you right in the brain and get you good. So we're gonna do the Boujie challenge. We're gonna see how nice of an outfit we can get for the least amount of money, and it's gonna be really revolutionary. I don't think anyone's done this before, so you know, we're just here breaking ground in the new year. Now guys, we got a really big find right here. These white Vans. It's only $40. And look at the, I mean, yeah, that's just style. I think we're definitely gonna have to slap those up on the list. Nice find.
You need any help, sir?
You work here? So, you want? Hey, you want to be in a video with us?
Yeah, sure. Let's do it.
All right. Perfect shirt for a perfect boy. Slap that on the list. Okay, now I'm thinking I need something earthy, kind of fruity. I don't know, like, maybe something a little banana.
Banana shirt?
Oh, come on.
Is that what you're thinking?
Yup.
There you go.
Put that on the list.
I thought we parked over here.
And this stupid freaking...
Where the heck? Oh, it's all the refraction.
Where are you going? Get over here. Oh, that's the car. Sorry. Open the door. Open the door. It's hot out. Freaking... Here, hold my bags.
God sakes.
Get the AC on. They're cleaning up the piss.
Is it you?
Oh. Big find right here. Look at these guys. Boom. Putting that on the list. Ooh. Something tells me that's going.
What's the length? $5.99.
Yeah. Well, that's on the list. The first one, $15. That was for the pants and the belt, and then I did contribute to the men's foundation. Next total, $23.48, and that is for the shirts that I got, the different shirts. $29.98, and that's with 3 times bonus points for the shoes. So now we're gonna show off the outfit. Look at it. Did you drop something? Let me pick it up. Come on. Alright, you guys. I think you've all been pretty inspired. You're all welcome for the content you've just watched. And, you know, really this was just to get you guys ready for, you know, the new season. Kids are going back to school and you gotta be ready. So, you know what? I'm giving this to you guys as a gift. I just want you guys to remember that no matter how useless you are and pathetic, that even you can become Boujie with the Boujie Challenge. So go ahead, do your own Boujie challenges, rate my look in the comments 0 to 150. And you know, I'm just gonna walk off into the sunset. Bro.
How's it going?
I got something for you, dude.
The fit! Oh my gosh, look at that!
Dude, I think I dropped something. I think I dropped something. Oh, got it.
Do a little spin. Do a little spin. Oh yeah, yeah, just like that. Dang, you are real bougie right now. Look at those bananas. Makes a monkey hungry.
Well, damn, dude. Why don't you climb this tree?